scurrying mouse, and I go squeak, 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 squeak. Okay, come here, look at this one. How about this one, honey? I'm a messy pig, and I love playing in the mud.
Careful.
Okay. You ready for another one? Nine? What? Who's this? Cow? I'm a brown and white cow. And I go moo, 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 moo. Who are these guys? We are busy bees. We go and we are woolly sheep. And we go oh, really? And what's this last one? What's this one? I'm a barn owl. And I go, whoo, 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 whoo. Yeah? You want to play ball? Okay, you want to read it again? Or do you want to see the wild animals? Who's that? I'm a lion. I have thick hairy mane around my neck. You want to read this one again?
She's like, that's more fun.
Okay.